What's going on, everybody? Feder here from 3D Print SOS. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to go over a new project that I'm working on. It's actually not that new, and some of you guys that follow my live streams might know exactly what I'm talking about. You might see it behind me already, but my live streams are only about 12 to 15% of my entire channel, so I figured I might as well make a video explaining what's going on in the background of some of my upcoming videos. Well, as you see here, we have what looks like a mannequin or body parts, and it's actually me. It's this guy. So soon there's going to be two of us hanging around. Scary, I know. Let me explain. A few months ago, last year, I attended East Coast Rep Festival, which was so much fun. But actually, right before that, I ended up helping Creality store most of their booth here at my own house because I'm so near to the event, and I was able to help them. So when Creality stopped by my house, it was actually Joy and Sabrina from Creality. They came over, we hung out, I answered some questions, we talked about some of their machines, the K1 Max, some of their new stuff that's coming out, and then they also showcased their Ferret Pro scanner, at which point, well, they scanned me, and that's how all of this happened. And at some point, especially after or during the event when Sam Prentice was also scanned, and then they used my Creality K1 to print a little statue of him, I got very excited about the idea. I thought that was pretty cool, but why not go bigger? There was so much cool, big 3D printed stuff at the event. So I pitched the idea of using a Creality Ferret Pro scanner to scan me, using Creality brand new Hyper PLA in all their new colors, to use that filament, to use their Creality K1 Max, which is their largest machine of this style, at least at the moment, to print a one-to-one replica of myself. And well, here we go. There is a pile of about 13 rolls of filament behind me that we're going to be using for this project, and I'm all done the skin tones and I'm moving to everywhere else. It's going to take a few weeks, and I know it's going to get busy in the background, especially because we have some other projects happening, so that's kind of why I wanted to explain this. But that's not the only thing that happened. What ended up happening was, after ERF itself, Creality had their own event, which I also attended. I actually got to share the stage with Sam Prentice, Courtney for Filament Story, some other folks, and I got to speak to the 3D printing nerd and Chep and a lot of people in the industry, and just met so many awesome folks. It was actually a really cool event. At the end of that event, there was a printing contest, which I entered my 1/8 scale crawler. That's up there. I'm sure you guys have seen it. I've done plenty of videos on it and some content on it as well. But that actually ended up winning third place in the printing contest, and third place got me another Ferret Pro. So I actually have two. So here is my idea to celebrate the crazy feat that you can scan something or somebody and print somebody in a one-to-one replication in your own home. Do it in your own style and whichever way you want. To celebrate the fact that we can now do that and where 3D printing has gone, I want to give this away when my replica is done. So pay attention to the channel, pay attention to the shorts, pay attention to the live streams when we work on this, and I will have more information on how you can win this. I'm gonna not unbox this, it's completely sealed from Creality. So I will find some way to hopefully pass this on to one of you guys, so that you too can make something like this happen. All right, I thought that was going to be something fun and something to look forward to, and maybe explain some of the weird stuff that's going on behind the scenes here. All right, guys, as always, we'll see you down in the comments. Later.